Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, this is our 12th lecture. This lecture is the continuation of lecture 11. The main focus of the institutional model which we are studying is purely a model of constitutional government. It may be parliamentary form of government or presidential form of government, but we can call him the institutional model. We include the structure and functioning of government institutions and different departments of the government which functions according to the provisions of the Constitution and are responsible for public policy making, implementation and evaluation, to provide the public welfare programs for the people of the country. All the public policies are made or implemented because the coercive power of the state is behind the institutions which they use to enforce policies on behalf of the state. Those who disobey the policies, the concerned institutions use coercive power to punish those people. The particular institutions of the government, they are competent under the Constitution to determine the public policy objectives, its process and implementations. The only objective of public policies is to resolve the problems of the people. The government institutions, their structure and their functions add policies and control the public sentiments to solve the issues of people. Policy, we can call the policy is a product that the state by their authority determined the issues, make policies and got implementation through their institutions and at the end of the implementation, the policy is evaluated to improve the policy and to check the hurdles which are faced by the government institutions to enforce in the way of enforcing the public policy. The institutions under the Constitution which work for the public policies to resolve the issues of the public, they are Parliament. Parliament is the law-making institutions which is elected by the people of the state, and the other institution is executive, which is responsible to administrate the public policy, as well as the other officials which are elected and non-elected. Elected peoples or elected officials are responsible for their duties for the fixed terms, and the non-elected officials are permanent officials to support the policies, to feedback the policies and implement the policies both on local and national levels. The Constitution is the highest body of the government. All the bodies, all the institutions function, work under the Constitution. No one can deviate from the provisions of the constitutions. All the policies are product of the basis of the Constitution. All the policies are made under the provisions of the Constitution, and all the bodies, all the institutions made their duties under the provisions of Constitution. So they resolve the public issues. This model specially specifies the functions and powers structure under which the policies are made or implemented, as well as it suggests the relationships between various institutions and coordinate between the various institutions of the government to implement the public policies. All the institutions of government work together and collectively make contributions for the successful policy implementation and solution of the problems of the society. In the end, we analyze that the institutional model of public policy works successfully when all the institutions of the state, functions under the government, are studied thoroughly, their structure, their functioning, as well as these institutions share their information with other concerned organization of the state. Then this model could be worked successfully. In developing countries or in developing societies, one organization of the state provide different services at a time, and the other organizations of the state also provide similar services to the people or implement same public policy. So it become difficult to segregate the powers and functioning and overlapping position and duplication of the functioning of organizations. So it is a demerit of the public policy implementation of institutional model in developing states, developing societies. At the end, so due to duplication, the resources, time and money gone wasted, and the expenditure exceeds too much due to duplication or functioning of overlapping for the country as well as for the people. So the community has to face the overtaxation to meet the expenditure of this model. Thank you very much. Students, if you have questions, you can call me or write down the question on the end of this lecture. I will answer your question as soon as possible. Thank you very much.